Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your BMW X3 cooling system. First, make sure your engine is completely cold. This is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Park your vehicle on a flat, level surface to ensure accurate fluid level readings. Next, set your car's heater to its highest temperature and fan speed. Finally, connect a reliable battery charger to your vehicle to prevent power loss during the bleeding procedure, which can take some time. Now let's fill the system. Carefully remove the expansion tank cap and begin slowly adding the correct BMW-approved coolant. Watch the float indicator inside the tank. You want to fill it until the float reaches its maximum marked level. Once filled, you can either replace the cap loosely or leave it off for the next step. Remember, avoid overfilling, as this can cause issues with the system's pressure and function. With the coolant added, it's time to activate the automatic bleed cycle. Turn your vehicle's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Then, press the accelerator pedal all the way down for about 10 to 12 seconds. You should hear the electric water pump begin to run, indicating the bleed procedure has started. Let the pump run its full cycle, which typically takes around 12 minutes, to properly circulate the coolant and remove air. Once the bleed cycle is complete, it's time for the final checks. Recheck the coolant level in the expansion tank. It may have dropped slightly as air was expelled. Top off the tank if necessary, ensuring the float is at the correct level. Replace the cap securely. Take your BMW X3 for a short drive, then allow it to cool completely before performing one last coolant level check. Confirm there are no leaks around the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.